Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today in English I am going to continue lesson 2, A Light for the Palace Fire. About this lesson I have already completed the word meanings and the explanation of the lesson. Today I am going to continue the exercise. So let's start. In exercise, first we will do the read this sentence and answer this question, and second we will do answer this question. First we will start read this sentence and answer the question. Means some lines are given and on basis of that line some questions are asked. So let's read the first question. Go down the hill road. If you see fire burning in a house, go inside and ask for some embers to bring back to the palace. And the first question is, who said this word and to whom? Second is, what made the speaker say this word? And third is, what did the listener do next? So the answer of this question are, first, who said this word and to whom? These words are said by the king of the palace. Once again, these words are said by the king of the palace. The second question, what made the speaker say this word? The speaker said this word because the fire which always burned in the palace suddenly stopped burning, due to which palace people was freezing in extreme cold. And the last question, what did the listener do next? After getting the order from the king, the messengers took a big iron lantern for holding coal and went down the hill. Now, the next line is, they realized that this was because selfless love had come with the coal from the little girl's cottage. And on the basis of this line, the questions are, who are they in the above lines? What does selfish love refers to? And the third question is, who had shown selfish love and how? So the answer of these questions are, who are they in the above line? They are the messengers in the above line. Second question, what does selfless love refer to? Answer, selfless love means unconditional love. We do not expect anything in return. We just want the other person to be happy. Now the third question, who had shown selfless love and how? The little girl had shown the selfless love by giving them the burning coal without any condition, and also offered the bowl of porridge to the messengers. Now we will do the answer this question. So the first question is, where was the palace? How was it kept warm? The answer of the question is, the palace was at the top of the hill and it was kept warm by burning fire. Once again, the palace was at the top of the hill and it was kept warm by burning fire. Next question is, what reason did the people give for the fire dying out? The answer of the question is, the people have different opinion. Some said the fire had died because the palace people always fight to each other, and some said it was because the winter that year was very cold. Now the third question is, what did the little girl say and do when the messenger knocked on her door? The answer is, the little girl said they may have as much coal they want, and also offered them the bowl of porridge and told them to take rest and warm themselves while going out. And the last question is, why did the messenger think that coal would not burn all the way back to the palace? What happened instead? And the answer is, the messenger had already taken fire from the two houses earlier, which was turned to grey ash. Therefore, they thought it will never burn all the way back to the palace. But they were wrong. The coal grew brighter and it lit up dark road and warmed them too. Now the next exercise is match the words. On one side some words are given and you have to match with the other side. The first one is bitter, next one is burning, third one is little, fourth one is dark, and the fifth one is twinkling. And the other side, the first is girl, second is stars, third is fire, fourth is cold, and the fifth is night. Now we have to match. The answer of bitter is cold. Yes, the answer is D. The answer of burning is fire, that is C. The answer of little is girl, the answer is A. The answer of dark is night, the answer is E. The answer of twinkling is stars, the answer is B. Okay student, thank you for today's class, and now this is your homework. You have to complete all the exercise in your copy and you have to learn it also.